Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hello, everyone.
This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
If you do not understand, that is okay. Just listen again. It is normal.
Okay, Jack. Today we talk about something we all do. Going to the supermarket.
Oh, yes. I went to the supermarket this morning, actually.
Really? Tell me about it. How was it?
It was okay, but I forgot my shopping list at home.
Oh, no. What is a shopping list? Let's explain for everyone.
A shopping list is a paper with all the things you need to buy.
Yes. I always make a shopping list before I go.
I usually do too, but today I forgot it on the table.
Forget means to not remember something, right?
Yes, exactly. I forgot my list, and then in the supermarket, I could not remember everything.
Oh no! What did you forget to buy?
I forgot to buy milk, and milk was the most important thing.
That is the one thing you always need.
Yes, the most important thing, and I forgot it.
So, what did you do?
I went back to the supermarket again after lunch.
Oh, 2 times in one day?
Yes, 2 times. It was not a good morning.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
I usually buy fruit, vegetables, bread, and milk, of course.
Do you check if the fruit is fresh?
Yes, fresh is very important. Fresh means new, not old. Good quality.
How do you know if fruit is fresh?
I look at the color, and I smell it sometimes. Fresh fruit smells nice.
That is smart. I do that too.
Old fruit looks soft and brown. Fresh fruit looks bright and firm.
Yes, I always try to buy fresh food. It tastes much better.
It really does. Fresh vegetables taste so much better than old ones.
Do you have a favorite supermarket?
Yes, there is one near my house. I go there because it is cheap.
Cheap means not expensive. A low price, right?
Yes, exactly. The prices are cheap there, so I save money.
That is good. I also like cheap supermarkets. I do not want to spend too much money.
Yes, food is already expensive, so cheap prices help a lot.
Okay, everyone, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
It really helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's continue. What time do you usually go to the supermarket?
I like to go early in the morning, around 8 o'clock.
Why early in the morning?
Because there is no queue, and queue means a line of people waiting.
Oh, yes. Queues are not fun. Waiting and waiting.
Exactly. In the morning, the supermarket is quiet. No queue at the checkout.
I usually go in the evening after work, and there is always a long queue.
Yes, evening is the busy time. Everyone finishes work and goes shopping.
I hate waiting in a long queue. It makes me a little tired.
Me too. That is why I changed to morning shopping.
That is a good idea, actually. Maybe I will try morning shopping too.
Yes, you should try it. It is so much faster and easier.
Do you write your shopping list on paper or on your phone?
I write it on my phone now. It is easier. I always have my phone with me.
That makes sense. Then you cannot forget it, like today.
Yes, but today I did not even open my phone. I just forgot completely.
Sometimes we just forget. It happens to everyone.
Yes, it happens to everyone. Do not worry about it too much.
What is the most important thing on your shopping list every week?
For me, it is bread, eggs, and milk. Those 3 things every week.
Those are the basics. I think everyone buys those 3 things.
Yes, very basic, but very important.
I also buy a lot of fruit every week. I like apples and bananas.
I like apples too. Fresh apples are so good.
Do you like shopping, or is it just a job you need to do?
Honestly, I do not love it. It is just something I need to do every week.
I understand. For me, it is the same. Not my favorite activity.
But I like it more when there is no queue and the food is fresh and cheap.
Yes, that makes shopping much better. Fresh food, cheap prices, no waiting.
Exactly. And next time, I will not forget my shopping list.
I hope so. No more milk problems.
No more milk problems, I promise.
Okay, let's do our recap. The words from today.
Number 1. Shopping list. A paper with all the things you need to buy.
Number 2, cheap. Not expensive. A low price.
Number 3. Fresh. New, not old, good quality.
Number 4, queue. A line of people waiting.
And number 5, forget. To not remember something.
5 easy words today, all about shopping and the supermarket.
Write in the comments. Do you make a shopping list? And what is on it this week? Tell us in English.
We read every comment. We love reading your answers.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye. See you soon.